Now we are going to embroider the wings. First, embroider a short line to the first dotted line. Embroider another long line to the second dotted line. Repeat embroidering a short line and a long line. Fill in the upper part of the wings in the same way. Embroider a line from the middle of the first dotted line, the lower edge of the short line, to the third dotted line. Embroider a line from the second dotted line, the lower edge of the long line, to the bottom of the wing. Repeat embroidering 2 lines, one slightly above and one slightly below. Fill in the lower left part of the wings in the same way. And fill in the gap on the area. Fill in the lower right part of the wings in the same way. And fill in the gap on the area. Now we are going to embroider the feathers on the owl's chest, which are embroidered using back stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the back stitch video in the basic stitches section.